Making this video to show you how to quickly, using keyboard shortcuts, to navigate and play tracks using rekordbox 7 in export mode, especially if you're using a 2-player or dual player. So conventionally, what you do is drag and drop a track in there, likewise on the other side, and then you'd hit play, hit Q, play, and Q, and beat sync, and so on and so forth. And obviously, using your mouse and trackpad can get a bit cumbersome. And so I'm going to show you some keyboard shortcuts to hopefully quicken or smoothen that workflow. So, what you can do is hit the up and down buttons to select a track. And if I hit enter, I'd load that on player A. But what about player B? Great question. So if I go up and down, I'll just select this track. So what I'll do is hold shift, then enter. So that'll load it up on player B. Awesome. So if it's spacebar, it'll play it on player A, like so. And then let's see with player B. But here's another caveat. See, I can't hit up and down. Now, the reason being is the focus is now on the playhead, on the actual player itself. So if I click here into this section, you can see that red playhead, gray out, and the focus is on here. So the keyboard shortcut for me to quickly change the focus is tab. And as you can see it there, see I'm on the player, the focus is on the player, and the focus is on the browse. So if I go down to this track now, I'll hit shift and enter, and that will load it in player 2. Hit tab again. Let me load another track. I'm going to hit enter this time. Hit tab again. Shift enter to load it there. Okay, so I'll hit spacebar to load it in player 1, and then shift and space to, whoops. Okay. With regards to beat jumping now, I could beat jump as I wish on player A. Now, keep in mind using the shift button, if press and hold shift, and then left and right. Now I'm beat jumping on player B, which is awesome. And I can obviously change, the beat jumps on over here. So let me get into preferences. And I can obviously change these keyboard shortcuts to my heart's content. But with the ones that I've just shown you, they are the default ones. So hope you found this helpful. Subscribe for more content, and I'll see you on the next one.